Hey, what's up, you guys? Isaac here, and wow, I have to tell you, it has been it has been quite an eventful week. So, starting on Tuesday, my mom took me to a place called Gateway Centers, which specializes in addiction treatment. Now, this is something that I don't normally like to talk about because it's just not really appropriate for viewers, but yes, I do have an alcohol problem, okay? But I decided today that I wanted to be discharged because the program just wasn't working for me, and I personally don't like talking about my feelings with strangers. But on another side note, I have come home this afternoon, actually about an hour and a half ago. I helped my family, my brother, and a few of his friends move out of the crappy place that I have been living in for so long. And wow, guys, I cannot wait to leave a nasty, worded text message to my landlord about this shithole that she rents out to innocent, hard-working people. I spy a lawsuit. No, I was actually just kidding about that lawsuit thing. At this point, I just want to be done with this lady because she is just such a crook and she is a slumlord. I don't even know how people even want to live here. It's one of those places that looks great on the outside, but it's just a complete shithole on the inside. So, you know what? Why don't we just take a minute and look around at some of the things that I have had issues with that she has neglected to take care of. So our first exhibit of the day it's just paint peeling. And if you look all around the window boards here, you guys see that? That's just one issue. Might be a little hard to tell, but you can see cracking in the ceiling. Oh, look, we got a nice fresh crack right here in the wall. That was definitely not there a few days ago. The whole ceiling board is cracking. You got this right here. This is what I originally complained about 2 weeks ago, that she claims that she sent a plumber in and didn't fix it. So we're gonna go into the closet here in the other room. So apparently my downstairs neighbor's pipe broke for the bathroom, and her whole ceiling caved in. And this is the mess my landlord made. Terrible patch job. Look at that. Now you got yellow shit growing all over it. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. And then, let's see. Let's just bounce to the windows here. Let's see. You guys see this? I got ants dying in my windowsills. Got all these other ants here. You got you got quite a few hanging on spider webs right here. All this stuff, all that stuff. Well, that's just in my unit. Let's go take a look outside in the hallway. The reason this is here is I'm about to show you. So we'll give you a little first-person view of what we're gonna do here. All right. This floor is just absolutely disgusting. It's disgusting. All right, all down here, and then look at this is the most amazing to me right here. The maintenance man did a spackle job, didn't even paint over it. All up in here. And now let's go take a look outside. And then this. All this. This is all cooking grease. You can see it spilling into the sidewalk right there. Okay? People are tracking it in. Alright, oh, you got more bad spackle jobs over here. So now we're going to take a walk back upstairs. Yeah, we hear you. Oh, you know what? One more thing. So a couple weeks ago, when we had some really strong winds, a window actually blew out. So you could see how there's only one window. So there's only one. No screen there. All right, there's just no window here. So what happens is when it gets windy, that air comes down these stairs and then through my crack right here under the door. And that's why the towel's in place. But anyway, those are just the problems on my side of the building. This apartment complex holds up to 50 tenants. I'm one of them. I got one more above me, and two more below me. So if there's this many problems in my unit, I can only imagine the problems that everybody else is having on this side of the building. So, like I said, it's been a hell of a ride, guys. I thought it would be an interesting video. Do not fall victim to slum landlords. I have learned my lesson with this the hard way. She's actually told me she's not giving me my deposit back, which is why I could care less. If I ruin her walls, I ruin her windowsills, or for hell, even if I even want to clean the rest of the place up, I'll just let that bitch take care of it, honestly. You know, she's over here making tens of thousands of dollars a day on tenants like me, and she can't, fix simple things. And it's ridiculous. So guys, let this be a reminder, if you are coming up on a time in your life where you want to rent an apartment, make sure you really inspect everything. This is the mistake I made last time, and I will make sure that I never fall for it again. But anyway, guys, that's it for now. I've had a really stressful afternoon, and honestly, despite coming out of rehab, I'm ready for a drink. I did have some mango absolute here, but I guess they took that too. So, all right, guys, until next time, Isaac out.